All right, we are now going to move into our second keynote of the morning. It's also our last keynote of the event. We're very excited. This is the company. If you were here yesterday morning, you saw that they won the Best of Enterprise Connect Award for their new product, and I think that so I assume we'll hear more about them. I think we're ready with our RingCentral keynoter. This is the topic here, as many of them have been, is around Gen AI, and of course it's the topic of the moment, and so I'm delighted that to present it is going to be the person with just the title you want. I think talking about Gen AI, that's the Chief Innovation Officer at RingCentral, and it's somebody who we've had on the stage several times before. Really great visionary in the industry, Kira Makagon from RingCentral. Thanks, Kira.
Well, hello. My name is Kira Makagon. As you know, I'm the Chief Innovation Officer at RingCentral. It's great to see so many familiar faces, and thank you all for being here. This is the event that we all look forward to year after year. This is the melting pot of our industry, and so much happens here. And of course, the talk of the town this year is AI. Did you guys all hear the buzz? All right, jokes aside. Here at RingCentral, we have been on an AI journey for the last several years. The rapid adoption of Gen AI is powering a seismic shift from unifying modalities of communication to unifying experiences. And RingCentral is unlocking the power of your conversations across our entire portfolio, of course, with AI. We're helping businesses deliver even more value so that their customers, employees, and partners can do better with their customers. We're proud to have over 400,000 customers worldwide and many millions of users. The reason customers come to RingCentral, the reason they choose us, is because of our foundational principles, which are rooted in trust, innovation, and partnerships. Let's start with trust. We're bulletproof here. RingCentral means reliable. With over 5 years of 5.9 availability, we're now proud to say that we've just reached a new milestone, and that is 6 nines. And this is thank you. This is indeed unparalleled. We're known for our innovation. We have disrupted this industry and transformed it many times and many times over. We have a history of many market firsts, especially when it comes to phone. And of course, partnerships. To us, every customer matters and every partner matters. From the very smallest of ISVs to the world's largest global service providers to the hyperscalers. And this is all why we believe we're named the #1 cloud communication provider by Synergy Research, and it is based on paid native cloud seats. We're super excited about this. And now, let's hear from one of our customers, NFP, a very large insurance company.
So NFP is an insurance brokerage and consulting firm, has a lot of regulations around us as it relates to the way we manage our client information, what we do with that client information. So we were looking for a cloud service provider from a telecom perspective, that we needed to find a way to allow our employees to work seamlessly, whether they were in the office, out of the office, but they could always have the same connectivity, not only to us, but to our clients. And what RingCentral brought to the table for us was, is we were able to unify the communications down to a single company and a single phone number. We have about 600 people on the contact center, and from a switch over, as we moved over from Mitel to RingCentral, the benefits, the capabilities, the ability for them to manage their business and respond to customers, reduce the wait time significantly, see where the issues were, was a huge step forward for us. And the artificial intelligence to be able to sit in the background and hear keywords that are being said, taking into account what the client already has with us, and then make recommendations to that agent real time, allows the agent to really focus on the needs of the client, provided at the level of sale and at the level of the client. Moving over to RingCentral has been a night and day shift for us. We've been able to have the uptime and the reliability of the 5 nines and everything that was promised. You know, they've delivered on what they said they were going to do. The conversion's been quick and easy. They took 8,000 users and migrated them over to their platform very seamlessly and very quickly, and they've been able to meet the needs of our business. It's been a great partnership.
I love seeing how NFP is transforming customer communications and employee communications. NFP represents what we do best, building a new world in which AI meets trusted communications for all employees, from customer service to sales to marketing, across the entire business. We enable a more personalized and context-aware interactions. And that is why we make every conversation matter and every conversation smarter. And the key behind making all of this happen is RingSense AI. So we launched RingSense AI last year at Enterprise Connect. RingSense AI is our conversational platform that is infused across our entire portfolio. Imagine never to have to take notes. Imagine never to have to upload them to a CRM. Imagine never having to create a task list. Imagine never having to get a real sales coach when you have an automated sales coach. Imagine an iWriter for your chats and for all your marketing copy, for all your events. Imagine an agent assistant that helps you onboard agents faster. And all of that with insights. The possibilities are limitless. And that is RingSense AI. And now, let me talk to you about what makes RingSense AI different. First of all, it is trusted. You all know the importance of privacy when it comes to AI. RingSense AI is built upon a foundation of security, reliability, privacy by design, and transparency that we're all so well known for, RingCentral, that is. It's fit to purpose, and that is key. It is built to solve specific problems across different use cases and different personas. And third, it's orchestrated between our own proprietary AI models and very large language models. So it is powerful, it is highly targeted, it is accurate, and it is cost-effective. And of course, it is open. RingSense AI APIs enable customers and developers to build their tailored solutions so that you, as a customer, can fit them into your business needs. And this is why we're so proud that RingSense AI has won the Best of Enterprise Connect. And this is especially among so many innovations here. This is the hub of innovation. So we're honored to be recognized for this award. Thank you, judges. And of course, thank you, the RingCentral teams that have made this innovation possible. It is a true team sport. So with all this innovation and all the power of RingSense, that we're creating a paradigm shift in the way that we work. We're unlocking the richness of voice, which is the lifeline for customers in everyday communications. And that is why we named our flagship product, MVP, Message Video Phone, now to RingEX. It is a lot more than a name change. RingEX is personalized, comprehensive, and context-aware. And together, RingEX with RingCX, our native contact center that is AI-powered, is an immersive experience. Supercharging productivity so employees can take better care of their customers. Combined with RingSense AI, these technologies represent basically a combination of what we call people-first, data-rich, and context-aware platform. It connects conversations across the entire organization so that every employee can focus on customer success. And with that, let me welcome to stage Esther Yoon, our VP of Product Marketing, to show you. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name's Esther Yoon, VP of Product and Industry Marketing. You know, the guys backstage, it's actually really funny. They're taking a drink every time someone says AI, and they're actually having an amazing time back there. No, I'm just kidding, guys. 2 years ago, we announced Advanced Meeting Insights and Summaries. And it's been a really busy past 2 years. We've been weaving AI across our entire portfolio. And obviously, there's been a lot of transformation happening. But I want to return to a conundrum. You know, not all AI is created equal. And really, the conundrum is AI utility is bound by the foundation it's built on. What do I mean by that? AI utility is bound by prerequisites around reliability and trust. It's also bound by the system's functional offerings. The problems it's designed to solve fundamentally drive AI's value to a customer. And AI's utility is bound by the access and context to rich data that it has. So what's the foundation that we've built our AI upon? And actually, this took me a while to grasp, because when I first started at RingCentral, I used to hear things like, oh, we have carrier-grade reliability. It was like a sacred cow. And when I started to really talk to other experts in this space, I realized it was kind of like comparing a home sprinkler system to a city water supply system, right? They both provide water, but we have let's just call it a city water supply system, and it's engineered to deliver water in a way that's reliable, in a way that's consistent across the very vast and complex network. This system is designed with redundancy. It's designed to meet high pressure and high demand, ensuring quality at all times, and it's equipped to handle emergencies without faltering. Just as a city water system ensures that every tap has access to clean water, RingCentral's cloud infrastructure, which can support Cloud IMS, FMC, and all these other fancy acronyms, that's what we've built our business communications on top of. It's carrier-grade reliability, no matter the scale or complexity of the business needs. It's why we have one of the largest trauma centers in America using RingCentral. It's why so many large-scale clinics trust us with their patients. And it's why 4 out of the top 5 dental service organizations in America choose RingCentral as well. And it's also why so many customers choose RingCentral to bring reliable, advanced calling capabilities into their Microsoft Teams apps, in addition to apps like Google, Salesforce, and so many other business-critical applications. And now, just a couple days ago, not now, a couple days ago, we made a significant announcement, a personal AI assistant powered by RingSense AI. It's designed to elevate everyday business interactions. I'm going to show you a quick overview.
Communication powers our world. And for 25 years, organizations have trusted RingCentral with their conversations. Now, it's time to unlock the voice of your employees, customers, and business. Introducing RingEX with RingSense AI, where trusted cloud communications and powerful AI work together to create a more efficient experience for everyone. Leverage precise, real-time note-taking that keeps you fully immersed in the conversation. RingSense AI is built on RingCentral, so everyone, in any role, no matter how complex their needs, can harness the power of AI. Access insights at your fingertips and instantly navigate your conversations for answers. Let RingSense AI be your co-author, helping you craft chats with polish. And let it also be your co-pilot, helping you get caught up after a well-deserved vacation. Recall conversation details in seconds, with insights that drive action and growth. With RingSense AI, every call, message, and meeting becomes a step towards a more personalized and intuitive communication experience. The future of business communications is here. Work smarter and more effortlessly. RingCentral, where AI meets trusted communications.
We are so proud of this because it's not just another AI announcement. It's unique in its ability to meet the toughest communication requirements because it's all built on RingCentral's battle-tested cloud platform. And now you can tap into one of the richest data sources, your voice, much of which has been largely inaccessible or utilized at scale. From meetings to messaging and now mission-critical voice, whatever your workflow, no matter how complex, no matter the APIs you need for your product or your services to create communication workflows, you can tap into trusted communications with AI. Actually, one of my favorite aspects of this is I use this on the daily, and the real-time AI aspect is game-changing. So let's call it the old days. I used to jump on a call, let's say I'm interviewing someone, and I'd have to take notes, make sure I'm capturing the right notes. It really brought me out of the conversation. And now with real-time smart notes, not only do I get a full live transcript, but AI is generating a distilled version, capturing the actions, the decisions made, all in real time. So it's easily accessible. I can reduce my cognitive load, focus on the conversation at hand. And RingSense AI is available on both mobile and desktop because we all need to be as productive on the go as we are at our desks, right? So with that, we're excited to roll out RingEX with RingSense AI in early access preview. So make sure to stop by booth 1819 to grab a demo. This journey doesn't stop here. RingSense AI is extending to every facet of our platform. We're going to continue to expand purpose-built AI to enhance productivity for lines of business. Take, for instance, our recent enhancements to RingCentral Events. RingCentral Events is a complete events platform. It provides support for virtual, hybrid, and in-person events. I mean, this is huge. Everything that you need to run an event from start to finish can be done with one solution. It's chosen because of how comprehensive it is, but also because how easy it is to use, how much personalization and branding you can bring in. And we have a ton of really great partners that help make your event seamless from start to finish. All the AV support, all the professional services, we have an amazing network. As a marketer, this is huge. Like, I've actually run some pretty large-scale events with some colleagues, and it is painful. It's stressful. There's a lot of little details, thousands of details that you have to manage on the daily. And so I'm happy to share, we're tackling some of the biggest pain points, at least that I've experienced. For example, one of the standout features that we're using is AI Writer to help tackle the pain of generating content. So you have to create hundreds of registration pages, all these landing pages to describe the event. And what we have now is an AI writer that does it in seconds. You don't have to worry about grammatical edits. You can all do it. You don't have to find copywriters to write all those hundreds of pages. You can adjust the tone, adjust the length, just like that. Another headache we're addressing is Q&A. How many times have you been on a webinar and you're getting so many questions? Well, in large-scale events, typically, this is even more common. And what we're doing is we're using AI to automatically categorize the questions. So let's say you have moderators. Hey, Jim's gonna focus on pricing questions, I'm gonna focus on product-related questions, and you have a flood of questions coming in during your event live. And what you can do now is use AI, automatically categorize this, so it's easier to find the questions that are relevant for your subject matter expertise. We've been using this, by the way. We used it for our RKO. We use it for so many of our events, and it is phenomenal. So make sure to come by and check it out and see for yourself. Lastly, one of the most expensive aspects post-event is getting your recording. We've had hours and hours of content, and typically after event, you wanna take that content, share it on social, share it with your sales teams. What we're doing is using AI to help reduce that time to getting that social content that you can amplify your event with. So what we have is we have AI that takes the highlights of your recorded events. It automatically generates social clips, and it's already all optimized for your social channels. Meaning, if I want to share it on LinkedIn, it's already optimized for the aspect ratio. And once I go and click share, it also generates AI copy, which you can review and post in seconds. This is probably going to save companies thousands of dollars. It's going to save weeks in post-event readiness. And we're really transforming every aspect of the event marketing journey. These AI-powered workflows are built in to RingCentral events at no additional cost. Here's the cool thing, though. RingCentral's AI-powered communications goes far beyond individual productivity. We also believe that there needs to be AI to enable smarter, collaborative, and contextual teamwork, where shared insights help entire departments work smarter together. Last year, we rolled out RingSense for Sales, kicking off the journey you're seeing unfold today. It's sales intelligence seamlessly built into the trusted platform, designed to empower sales teams with real-time insights, lead prioritization, and advanced analytics directly within their communication workflows. Think about never having to have your sales teams worry about taking notes during a customer call, never having to worry about uploading those notes into their CRM to make sure that the next person who interacts with them has that context. By complementing our AI capabilities for personal productivity, RingSense for Sales fosters a collaborative ecosystem where shared insights and collective intelligence elevate entire teams. RingCentral amplifies efficiency and innovation across all levels of the organization. That's the power of AI and trusted communications. To dig deeper into how AI is enabling stronger collaboration across the entire customer journey, I'm thrilled to pass the mic to my friend, John Finch. Great job.
Hello, everyone. My name is John Finch. I am the Vice President of Product Marketing for Customer Engagement at RingCentral. Super honored to be here and talking to you about what we're doing in the contact center space and how we're sort of changing the world. As most folks know, I've been in this space for a long time, actually too long to really talk about, but I know that there's others out there as well. So I will say that there's a running joke I have with a few people. One of them happens to be a prominent analyst that I'm pretty tight with, that back in 2010, we thought we had come to the conclusion of every single type of innovation that might exist in the contact center. But now look, there's a winner in the back, by the way, with the number of counts of, we've said AI on stage today and yesterday. So in 2010, we thought this, but consumers are really driving customer service innovation. And we, as the consumer, are saying, hey, we need personalized customer service. We need to be talked to and talk to brands with the mode of communication that we so choose that fits into our lifestyles the best. So we're driving that. And if consumers are driving these behaviors, it's also a very important personalized kind of experience that brands need to be looking at in order to really drive those customers to stay with them and sort of, alleviate the price of losing those customers. Last year in November of 2023, we launched our own product, RingCX. And in case you didn't see this, I wanted to show you a short video of what this product looked like. Pretty amazing. We're super excited about this, and we're going to tell you a little bit more here in just a moment about what this is doing. Let me first address one thing with this team. RingCentral has been in the contact center business since 2015. We're about $350 million in ARR since that time, and thousands of contact center customers. And as we launched this product, we really looked towards our customers that we have, looked at the industry, and really built a product that was fit for customers of all sizes. So over the course of time, in the last 5 quarters, we actually delivered up to 1,000 features over the last 5 quarters. We're really elevating the customer experience, and it's a focal point that really cuts across industries as these businesses that we're working with are looking to change the way that they're doing business with their customers and create an effortless customer experience. Since November of 2023, we have over 160 customers that are using RingCX. That's pretty monumental and truly exciting for us. And businesses, as I said, of all sizes are using RingCentral Contact Center, from Fortune 1000 to deploying thousands of agents, as well as 500-seat deployments with different size organizations, as well as small and medium-sized businesses alike. So let's talk about why customers are choosing RingCX. It's simple to use, it's easy to deploy, it's AI first or AI powered, it's rich omni-channel, and it really has that disruptive pricing. So let's talk about simple to use. Simple to use means that agents, supervisors, and business leaders all have the ability to take advantage of a better customer experience. Again, that effortless customer experience. Agents have access to a single pane of glass and integrations with leading CRMs that really truly provide that immersive customer experience. Supervisors can then take the information that they see in a dashboard and be able to coach agents in real time, jump on calls where necessary, whisper in on calls, gain insights from calls that have happened, not just any call, but every single call, and ultimately influence customer satisfaction with every single solitary interaction because of AI. Thirdly, business leaders. Business leaders now have access to the insights that are necessary to understand and run their business. That means that anybody in the organization, from marketing to sales to CXOs across the organization, can sign in and take advantage of a search tool and metrics to be able to understand what's going on in the business in real time. Searches can happen with regards to certain keywords, competitive differentiation elements. Do customers like the new product launch? What's the overall sentiment of the company by customers? Announcing this, yesterday we announced, I should say, that we're creating that immersive agent experience and furthering that, which I think is really, really important to drive home here. We're not requiring agents to live in RingCentral, but agents live in the tools that they use every day. So we've launched these 5 CRMs with very tight integrations that we've developed ourselves and will continue to maintain and manage and innovate upon as our product innovates, that are with Salesforce, HubSpot, ServiceNow, Zendesk, and Microsoft Dynamics 365. In addition, we have many, many more that are coming out throughout 2024. This really provides, again, that agent experience. They can live inside that tool that they're responsible for using every day, but it's not just for voice. It's also for omni-channel. This is an example of Salesforce, and really this immersive experience provides those agents with the ability to get the information they need timely across any sort of engagement, voice or omni-channel, and really drive the right behaviors, solve the right problems quickly and accurately, take the AI information from call summaries and transcripts and other elements necessary, and populate that information directly into the CRM for use at another time. Let's talk about our platform as well. So Kira mentioned this, and so did Esther. Talked a little bit about our open platform, but open platform for RingCX is also very prominent here. And what I'll say is that already, since our time of November, we have 50 integrations to date for our open platform for RingCX. It's pretty monumental. And these open APIs allow our customers to take advantage of integrations that we've done, let's say with IVA or interactive voice assistants that they may want to use. Also taking advantage of more advanced WEM capabilities, as well as other types of tools that might be necessary for omni-channel experiences, and many, many more. In addition to this, customers can go ahead and innovate on top of this, which is pretty cool too. It provides them with the ability to create their own agent experiences with the exposure of all of our APIs to them to develop to and create that. So let's talk a little bit about easy to deploy. This is really the piece that makes us different here. In the past, contact centers were difficult, overwhelming, challenging for people to really understand, kind of scary. And what we've done is we've simplified this. We've made it easy for individuals to really understand that this is easy to deploy. It's easy to understand how and what you can use to do that, from templates that are out of the box, to call flows, to drag and drop IVRs, to drag and drop complete end-to-end customer journeys. And this is really why we're seeing a lot of these customers that we're working with today, and so many more beyond the 160 that you see that we've effectively announced today, hint, hint, that are going to continue to drive this evolution. In addition to that, it's really about deployment in days versus weeks or months or years. It's really important to think about that, especially when you're looking across the spectrum of the size of the businesses that we're working with. Let's talk about AI. Really the true differentiator here as the innovation comes together, right? So we talked about what we're doing with contact center, making it easy, but these are really the innovations, and you've heard about some of these from others. But what I'll say is that these AI experiences really matter to those individuals, to the customers, to the agents, and to the supervisors, and to the business leaders. Our AI continues to differentiate and provide that effortless customer experience, from the call summaries, as we mentioned, through to conversational analytics and AI QM capabilities that really enable the supervisor to quickly and accurately solve problems and affect on every single interaction, moment by moment, customer satisfaction. The agent assist to truly involve the agents in understanding the right answer and working with them as a sort of assistant in real time in every interaction. Virtual agents, obviously for the customers, to be able to come in the front door and have a self-service experience, and scorecards to really be able to fully wrap around that agent experience for improvement overall. Omnichannel is sort of table stakes, but I will say this. Having the ability to have 20 different omnichannel capabilities out of the box is pretty precedent and important for customers. Meet your customers where they are. We at RingCentral with RingCX have 20+ digital channels that are readily available for customers from any sort of channel you could possibly imagine. And finally, let's talk about pricing. It's always the gatekeeper in terms of the evolution of anybody in an organization in making a decision to go with the contact center. But the biggest thing we have here is that we've combined this solution at one low price that includes the AI components, and it also includes all the minutes for outbound and inbound voice domestically. That's pretty cool, you have to admit. So with that, it becomes really an immersive experience overall where employees can ultimately better the service of their customers, right? And bringing together RingEX and RingCX really does that. It makes every company a customer-centric organization. With that, I'm going to turn it back over to Kira Magagon.
Thank you, John. Wow, that was great. And as you can see, we're super excited to unlock a paradigm shift in employee experiences and customer experiences. And we're connecting conversations across the entire organization. And we're empowering everyone to focus on customer success. This is just an overview of what we just talked about, but there's so much more. These are just the highlights. A quick summary. We'd love to tell you more about it. And we could be here for stage for hours, but we gotta go. So please, stop by our booth, book a meeting, see us online, and thank you so much.